Kadhai. In our today's video, we are making yet another simple and very healthy snack recipe, beetroot cutlets. It is very healthy to consume beetroots because it is rich source of iron. Cutlets is a very interesting way to have beetroots in your diet, especially for kids who generally do not consume beetroots directly. So let's see how to make this very simple and interesting evening snack recipe. Before moving to the video, I would request you to please subscribe to Healthy Kadhai if you are new to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you get regular updates of our new recipes. To begin with, we'll take 1 cup of grated beetroot. You need to simply grate beetroot and then use it. If you want, you can even use little steamed beetroot as well. Then we'll add boiled potato to it. So in 1 cup, this is approximately 2 boiled and mashed potatoes. Then we'll add 1/4 cup of boiled peas. Here goes chopped onions into it to give crunchiness to our cutlets. To add to more crunchiness, we'll be adding some roasted peanuts. We can coarsely grind the peanuts and then use it. Then we'll add 1/2 teaspoon of chopped ginger and garlic. For the binding, we are using breadcrumbs. These are freshly prepared breadcrumbs. I've already shared a video on how to prepare fresh breadcrumbs at home. You can check out that video as well. We'll be sharing the link in the description box below. So I'll be adding approximately 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. If you do not want to use breadcrumbs, then you can even use rice flour. Then we have added 1/2 teaspoon of dried fenugreek leaves or kasturi methi. Here goes dried and crushed coriander powder. Then we'll add amchur powder or the dry mango powder. There goes little chaat masala to it. Chaat masala gives really nice flavor. And then we'll add all of the spices. Here goes 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder and salt as per taste. One can also add chopped green chili, but I am making these cutlets for kids, so I am avoiding green chilies. Now we need to combine everything well to prepare the material for our cutlets. Beetroots have moisture in it, so if you feel that there is a lot of moisture in your material, then you can add more breadcrumbs. I'll be adding little more breadcrumbs. Our cutlet material is ready. Now we need to give shape to our cutlets. I'm using this cookie cutter to prepare cutlets. However, you can give any desirable shape as you wish. So I'll take a little portion of the material prepared. These are very healthy and very nutritious cutlets. Especially beetroot, we all know, is rich in iron. So one can even prepare these cutlets and pack it for kids' lunchbox. And we'll gently lift it up. So likewise, we'll prepare all other cutlets. Our cutlets are done. Now we need to refrigerate it at least for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll prepare a corn flour slurry. For this, we'll take 1 to 2 teaspoons of corn flour in a bowl. And we'll gradually add water. The slurry should neither be too thick nor too thin. So we'll take 1 piece of cutlet, we'll dip it in our corn flour slurry. And then we'll coat it with semolina or suji. Instead of suji, you can even use breadcrumbs. So this is how we'll prepare all other beetroot cutlets. Now we need to shallow fry our cutlets. However, you can deep fry these, or I'm sure you want me to air fry these cutlets as well. But today we will be shallow frying these cutlets. We have heated oil in a pan. Keep the flame on low medium side. We'll continue to cook the cutlets till it becomes brown from one side, and then we'll flip it over. Our beetroot cutlets are ready to serve. These are really crispy from outside and soft from inside. You'll really relish the taste and the texture of these cutlets. One can serve these cutlets with your favorite green chutney or coconut chutney, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. I hope you liked watching today's video. Please do try it out and let me know how does it turn out for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, and please share our videos with your friends and family. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.